everyone. So today we're taking a look at this pretty much 3-in-1. So we got our handy laptop here, but sometimes you just need more than one screen, and that's where this comes in. There's a few ways to do this, and you can use the manual. Comes with a cool power bank. All the cables that you will need. The screens are in this cool case, which is nice. Nice to keep them protected. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up this monitor screen like this. Set this back here. Adjust the laptop. And you pull this out. Put the position here. Let's make some more room. All right, everyone. So here we have it installed. Now, if you can't get, let's say one of these monitors are black, that's when you use this. So you use this, it has the label in here, it says please use this H5 hub when, and it just installs this software which allows you to use all three. So we're going to rewire this, but for now, so works great. Right now what we did for ours was we allowed it so we can use all of our displays here. There's speakers on the back as well, which is pretty cool. So we're going to drag this over here. Oh, we got to, okay. So we got to set this up better. Right now we don't have it set up that good, but you can adjust everything. So yeah, it actually works really well. Pretty simple to set up and use as well. We have the power bank going as well, using that to power one of our monitors, or to power the whole setup there. So yeah, I have no complaints on this. So this does have a built-in speaker, and the speaker is on the back here, right here, which is awesome as well. Due to copyright, we can't play, certain sounds. But yeah, overall, we're happy. Allows you to do 3 things at once.